who's hiding. What's your name again?
My name is Scott Gallagher.
And who do you represent?
I work for PSU.
Scott Gallagher. Have you ever tortured anybody?
I have not.
Well, I mean, one of Karl Rove's biggest excuses for waterboarding is Marines get waterboarded. Have you been waterboarded?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever watched a reenactment of waterboarding?
We don't really have a lot of input in that.
On waterboarding.
On those kind of policy decisions. So what is it we can do for you as far as helping you out, getting your message across, or talking with whom you would like to
Actually,
talk to?
I'd like you to look at some documents with me from a group called Disbar Torture Lawyers. I think you'd find them really helpful because there are, oh my gosh, can you?
Okay, well, here's what we're going to do, because I think you have some ideas you would like to discuss with other people. And it seems like you have a good idea on how to do that. If we could just agree that we don't, disrupt the educational mission of the university, in other words, block people from doing their jobs or students or that kind of stuff, then...
So you are blocking me from communicating with the president?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Oh, so I can go in there?
He's actually not here today.
Oh, right, he's out of town. When's he getting back?
I don't keep his schedule, but what I can tell you is that there are certainly ways that you can try and get your message across.
That's really nice.
We have people that will talk to you and explain to you the process of how to talk.
So how do I reconcile the ethical dilemma of me giving money to a school which attempts to sanitize human rights violations in the modern, in the whatever we're in, 21st century? How do I deal with that? Because my first instinct is to withdraw.
Ethical dilemmas are always hard to reconcile.
Okay.
So I don't know that I can give you instructions on how you can do that.
Do you guys feel ethical scruples personally?
I think that all humans feel ethical dilemmas on a daily basis.
Yeah.
But how you reconcile them...
What about toxic dumping in Africa? Condoleezza's company supported toxic dumping in Africa. Do you support that?
I'm not really involved, and nobody's asked my opinion of that up until now.
Oh, good. So this is the first step.
Yeah.
Can I get the Freedom of Information Act request on PSU's ethical, like the ethicality is subjective, but the actual investments that PSU finances are enrolled in, like one of the Oakland Institute is working on some investigation into Harvard and Vanderbilt doing land swipes in Africa as a trading on their investment portfolio. And to which office will I go? Foundation?
We run through the University Council.
University Council. Oh, I know University Council. Great. Yeah. And then what if I had some issues with sexual harassment from professors? What do you, so far it seems
There's a whole bunch of different ways you can go through the Women's Resource Center.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. And there's also the Office of Equity and Compliance.
Is that the same as, I don't know if that...
Okay, well, you go to the website and there's quite a bit of information on how you can make those kinds of complaints. But what was your name again?
Mary Eng.
Mary?
Yeah.
It's very nice meeting you. I'm going to go back to work, and I wish you luck with your...
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing information.
Right. Good luck.
God bless your family. And so you work in the President's office?
No, I work at Campus Public Safety.
Campus Public Safety. Awesome.
I'm
Cool.
the director, so you can call me if you
Excellent.
would like to.
Excellent. I feel very safe. Thank you.
Thank you.